Once upon a time, in a far-off kingdom, there lived a little bear named Teddy. Teddy was a curious and adventurous bear who loved to explore the world around him. He was always on the lookout for new adventures and challenges, and he was never afraid to try something new. One day, as he was wandering through the forest, he came across a large tree that had fallen over. The tree was blocking the path that led to the river, and many of the animals in the forest were upset because they couldn't get to the water to drink. Teddy knew that something had to be done to help his animal friends, so he decided to take action. At first, Teddy tried to move the tree by himself. He put his strong paws to work and started pushing the tree, but it was too heavy for him to move on his own. Just as he was about to give up, he saw his friends coming to help him. First came the squirrels, who started chipping away at the bark with their sharp teeth. Then came the rabbits, who dug holes around the roots of the tree. The birds started to fly up to the top of the tree, and they began to push the tree in the opposite direction. At first, it seemed like they were making no progress at all, but they didn't give up. They kept working together, each one using their own strengths to contribute to the effort. Slowly but surely, the tree began to move. With each push and pull, the tree inched closer and closer to the side of the path, until finally, it was out of the way. All the animals cheered and celebrated, but Teddy felt a sense of pride that he had been a part of something bigger than himself. He realized that even though he was just a small bear, he could make a big difference by working together with his friends. That night, as Teddy was getting ready to go to sleep, he thought about the lesson he had learned. He realized that by working together with others, he could accomplish great things. He felt grateful for his friends and for the power of teamwork. Over the next few days, Teddy couldn't stop thinking about the importance of teamwork. He wondered if there was a way to teach other animals in the forest about the power of working together. He went around the forest, talking to all the animals he met, and told them about the power of teamwork. Some of the animals were skeptical at first, but Teddy used his own experience as an example and convinced them that working together was the best way to accomplish their goals. Together, Teddy and his animal friends organized a big event in the forest to demonstrate the power of teamwork. They built a treehouse, using each animal's strengths and abilities to construct the structure. The squirrels used their sharp teeth to cut the branches, the rabbits dug holes for the foundation, and the birds helped to transport the branches and leaves to the construction site. When the treehouse was finally complete, all the animals in the forest came to see it. They were amazed at what Teddy and his friends had accomplished, and they realized the importance of working together. From that day on, the animals in the forest worked together more often. They helped each other find food, build homes, and solve problems. And every time they worked together, they remembered the lesson that Teddy had taught them about the power of teamwork. And so, Teddy and his animal friends lived happily ever after, surrounded by a community of animals who valued the power of working together to achieve their goals. They knew that by working together, they could accomplish anything they set their minds to. The end.